Welcome back. If you cannot sign in into HBO Max on your phone, the issue is usually related to your account or network problems. First, go ahead and double check that your email and password for typing errors. If you have them, go ahead and put in the correct one. If needed, reset your password using the forgot password option. Make sure while resetting your password, the new password is strong and not very easily guessable so people won't have access to your data. Then check your internet connection and disable any VPN services if you're using them. Now go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for HBO Max, swipe it away, then restart your phone and try signing in again after restarting your phone. If the issue persists, sign in once through the HBO Max website, then return to the mobile app. After following these steps, you should be able to sign in into HBO Max without issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.